Hello and welcome to Vlognet Nation. So today I'm going to vlog the full office tour. So just now I finished dressing up and now I'll be going back to office. So I'll show you everything. So आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे किधर था मैं लगातार 6 महीने के बाद थोड़ा सेटल होना पड़ता है तो 2 weeks लगे मेरे को प्रॉपरली ग्रास्प करने को थिंग्स. So yeah, now I'm back and I'm fit and now I'm free bit, so shooting again a vlog. So let's get started.
Guys, दोस्तों अभी मैं ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे हूँ. Right now I'm in ground floor, so walking towards the van. Yeah, company has provided the pick and drop facility every morning and evening. So here is my friend rushing towards the van. So just look at the view, guys. Superb in the morning. Yeah. So this building which you can see out there, it is the building where we stay. I think van is gonna come yesterday. So guys, here we have Paji with us. He is the one he used to pick and drop it.
Hi G, good morning. How are you? Good morning, Mr. Somi. एक चाय तो बनता है यार before starting any work. Chai is must. Nice morning session work is done. So right now I'm leaving for a lunch. Basically we are into the production of trailer, semi-trailer and storage tanks, and we are exporting all those are things to Middle East and around Middle East. And this is my 2.5 years experience in this company. This is a great working culture here. So it feels very good to work here, and great environment and great colleagues. So yeah, it's very good to work here, and time is up to leave, so done for the day and moving back to the accommodation. अंधेरा ही अंधेरा यार, अंधेरा ही अंधेरा. एसी ऑन करो. Guys, the vlog will end here, and thanks for watching the video. And I have to take a shower now and I have to pray, and I can't go for masjid because of the COVID thing. So I'll pray over here, and here it is messy, so I have to clean, and yeah, I have to move forward. So I'll end the vlog here, and guys, please share, subscribe and comment.